James chapter 104 verse 90. He made the moon to mark the seasons, and the sun marked its time was beginning. This is the word of Lord. I welcome Allah to share today's thought. Every season has its own beauty. Let us learn to find joy in each one. I repeat, every season has its own beauty. Let us learn to find joy in each one. We will explore the seasons through dance, music, and reflection.
It's summertime. It's summertime. Let's go to the beach and play with tambourine. Get some pictures clicked with photo bombing scene. It's summertime. It's summertime. Let's bathe in the pool and splash some water cool. Lick on those lollies, oh that would be so cool.
Season of sunshine, holidays, ice creams, and long days. Though it can be hot, it gives us energy and time to play indoors.
Pitter patter, drip and drop, tiny raindrops flip plop plop. Jump to the left, jump to the right, dance like raindrops, feel so light. Hop hop, drip drop, spin around and never stop. Hands up high, then wiggle low. Raindrops fall and go go go. Tippy toe and splash splash splash, jump in puddles, dash dash dash. Swirl like the wind, twirl like a top, spin like raindrops, flip flop flop. Hop hop, drip drop, spin around and never stop. Hands up high, then wiggle low. Raindrops fall and go go go.
The monsoon season brings cool cheer, greenery, and freshness all around. It teaches that after every season, life becomes beautiful again.
Winter's here, it's time to play. Snowflakes falling, hip hooray. Put on your coat, your hat and boots. Let's go dancing, 1, 2, 3, move. Twirl, twirl, spin around. Jump and land on snowy ground. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Let's dance under the snow so bright. Twirl, twirl, spin around. Jump and land on snowy ground. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Let's dance under the snow so bright.
Winter is the time for rest and reflection, preparing us for new beginnings.
Let's do the spring freeze dance. Now remember, when I say freeze, you freeze. And when I say hop like a bunny rabbit, hop! Hopping, Everybody, get ready to flutter like a butterfly. Fluttering like a butterfly. Fluttering, fluttering, fluttering. Fluttering any way you please. But stop when I say freeze. Everybody, get ready to buzz like a bumblebee. Buzzing like a bumblebee. Buzzing, buzzing, buzzing. Buzzing any way you please. But stop when I say freeze. Everybody, let's stretch like daffodils. Stretching like a daffodil. Stretching, stretching, stretching. Stretching any way you please. But stop when I say freeze.
Spring is the season of new beginning. Flowers bloom, trees turn green, life is fresh again. Seasons change, and with each one we learn something new. Just like the seasons, our lives also change, and with every change brings beauty and blessings. Let us be thankful to God for the wonderful gift of seasons. There are happy times and sad times, times of success and times of struggle. Same way, God has a purpose for every changing season. Thank you. I wake up and Bindu address the assembly.
Season whispers the same truth. Nothing lasts forever, yet everything returns in a new form. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, vice principal, brother, sisters, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear children. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the students of class 1C and the class teacher, Ma'am Arya, for this wonderful assembly presentation. Now let us give them a big round of applause. Seasons are a wonderful gift of nature. Throughout the year, we enjoy different seasons like summer, rainy, winter, and spring. Each season has its own beauty and teaches us something special. Summer brings bright sunshine and reminds us to stay strong even in tough times. The rainy season cools the air and teaches us to stay fresh and thankful. Winter makes us enjoy warmth, togetherness, and comfort. And spring fills the world with colors, new life, and hope. Just like nature, our lives also have different seasons. Happy times, challenging times, peaceful times, and exciting times. Each one helps us grow and learn. So dear student, let us enjoy every season and every moment, because every change brings beauty and new beginnings. Thank you and have a bright and cheerful day.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we are here to appreciate and honor outstanding achievements of our talented students who have brought glory to our school through their excellent performance in Karate Championship. Their dedication, discipline, and determination truly reflect the true spirit of sportsmanship. I would like to invite our respected principal, Father Joby Varghese, to kindly come forward and give away the certificate to our young champions. We have Jonas Joseph Sarin of class 6C, who has made us proud by winning first place in Kumite in the JSK Inter-District Karate Championship 2025 organized by JSK Association Palakkad. Please come forward and receive the trophy and certificate. Next, Saptami KS of class 4E, who secured first place in Kumite in the 6th Palakkad District Karate Championship 2025 organized by Karate Association of Palakkad. Once again, let's give them a big round of applause for their remarkable achievement. Thank you, Father, for presenting the prize and for your constant support to our students. Success is the result of hard work, persistence, and a never give up attitude. Heartily congratulations to both of you. Keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. I welcome Adin to lead us with the pledge and thereafter the call for the national anthem.
Attention!
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters.